Hey everyone, my name is Markayylaab. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're returning, welcome back. So today is a wig install, as you can see. So I'll be showing you how I installed this wig. But before I get started, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow me on my social medias. That will be linked down below. It will be linked down below along with this unit. And let's get started. All right, guys, so you already know the first thing that we are going to do is cut off the double lace. I made this part a little bit longer because some of you guys were still a little bit confused and had questions about what lace I was actually talking about. So hopefully this is a little bit better. Yes, I know I need to change my smoke detector, battery, alarm, whatever. But that's not the point. The point is this double lace, so pay attention. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it all off until I get into a complete circle, and then we will start the installation process. Y'all know what I mean. All right, now that I have cut the double lace out, I'm going to go in with my foundation and put this all over the wig. Now that I think about it, I should have used a lighter shade of makeup for the middle part of the head because it does look weird sometimes when you're in natural light, but for the most part, I thought it looked pretty good. After I do that, I'm going to pluck out the baby hair in the middle of the wig. Not me looking like it really hurt, but yeah. I'm going to pluck that out because I feel like it looks better with just two swoops on the side, no baby hair in the middle for this particular unit. Then I will use my Ebin spray and spray the perimeter of my head. And I did that about 2 times and then let it get tacky. Okay, cool. Now that it's tacky, I'm going to lay that lace down where I sprayed the glue, of course, or I sprayed the spray. After I do that, I'm going to spray it one more time just to make sure I got all the areas that are not laid down by the spray. And then I'm going to put my band on for about, honestly, as long as you can. I put it on for about maybe an hour and I did some laundry because, you know, I had to come back and do the video. But if I wasn't doing a video, then this would be on probably all night until I wake up. But leave it on there as long as possible. The longer the band is on there, the longer the melt and the more beautiful it will look when you take that band off. I'm telling you. So at some point in here, I get up and show you guys how long it is. It literally goes past my butt. I love this unit. I love how freaking long it is. And honestly, I prefer this one without the curly hair in it because it lasts longer. But chef's kiss. It's really gorgeous, guys. So I'm going to take my band off. And ooh, mamma mia. I didn't expect that. Better than I expected, which is good. I'm going to put some more makeup on there just to get the ashy parts. And then I'm going to do my baby hair with this Eco Style gel. Usually, this is how I do my baby hairs usually because I feel like the gel really molds it. And then I use some Ebin spray to really like stick that mug down because the fluffy baby hair look just don't be working for me. I gotta really gel them down. But I'm usually terrible at baby hair, and I think I did pretty good on the other side. Not so much on this side, but not too much. But anyways, yeah, I think I did pretty good on the baby hairs, and I think overall this wig came out great. But I'm gonna let you guys, chat it up in the comment section and let me know how I did. Now that I am done with my baby hair, I'm going to take my hair down and I am going to check myself out, see how I like it, all that good stuff you do in the mirror. But this is pretty much the final look, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got to this part, in the next few clips, I'm just going to be showing you guys the hairstyles that you could possibly do while wearing this unit. There's a lot more hairstyles that you can do, but I'm just showing a few. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Follow me on my social medias. They will be linked down below, and so will the direct link to this hair. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I am doing a Q&A at 1,000 subscribers, so hit the bell, comment down below. I don't care if it's a robot or whatever, but I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video, and take care. Bye.